Hey folks, welcome back to my channel Nayak RC. It's been like 3 or 4 weeks since weather is not good in Hyderabad, and that's the reason I couldn't go for configuration, field calibrations and test flight of Talon aircraft. So I have decided to make video series on Mission Planner. Many people ask me how do you set up all your vehicles, drones and all this stuff settings. So I use Mission Planner and I wanted to teach advanced Mission Planner settings, set all these things. So please watch this video for your better understanding, and please do support me by like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's jump into Mission Planner. Guys, Autopilot's Mission Planner is an open tool which can be downloaded and used by every individual. This tool was designed by Michael Obon, and you can set up different types of vehicles such as fixed wings, multi-rotors, hexacopters, helicopters, rovers and even antenna trackers. So I basically use Pixox to use my aerial vehicles on this one. And now let's see how do we download this Mission Planner and how do we install it. So before we go for the downloading, I would like to tell you guys, this Mission Planner tool is only available for Windows version, and by tweaking some settings in your Linux you can also install in Linux. And the major point here is Mission Planner is also available for Android application. You can go to Google Play Store and you can download Android application also. So I'll show it to you in the video later. So let's see how do we download it now. Go to your browser and in the search box you type Mission Planner. Click on enter. So once you installing Mission Planner, once you write Mission Planner and search installing Mission Planner, click on this one. Once you click on installing Mission Planner, you will go to this downloads window on autopilot.org. So on this window you will be seeing a download link here. Download the latest version of Mission Planner from here, it says. So you click on this hyperlink which is in blue color. Once you click on that one, Mission Planner download option will start. So please download that into your computer. While it downloads, let's talk something about Mission Planner. So Mission Planner can be used for different kinds of hardwares such as Pixox, all kind of Pixox like Pixox Orange Cube, Pixox Black Cube, Pixox Purple Cube and PixRacer, Navio Flight Controller, Intel Aero Flight Controller and Beagle Bone Flight Controller. All these kind of different hardware setups which is available as a form of flight controllers can be used for we can use this hardware flight controllers and Mission Planner, configure tunings, settings, all these things can be reading, all these things can be done into hardware using this Mission Planner. So that's one of the important key feature here. So there are wide variety of boards can be used. So once the Mission Planner download is complete, please go to the download file and install it, and once it is installed, please launch the file. So once you launch the file, I have already installed. So I am going to Mission Planner. Let me wait for the file to come up. There you see the window which you see on the screen. This is what the opening window of the Mission Planner, and let's understand what is this opening window and what all you see. So many of the first comers, first people who are trying to understand and learn about the Mission Planner, they are like confused. What are all these things? Everything is like confused, many values. Even I see a map, I see something designed. Okay, so don't worry, it was previously when I was when I started this understanding Mission Planner 7 years ago, even my condition was same. So I was also confused, what are all these settings, all these looking things. But later on when I started learning and when I started exploring all the options and doing experimentally, then I understood and then I got to know more. So okay, let's see here. So in the Mission Planner, when the main window is open, what you see is there are three different boxes in this one. I'll consider them into boxes. So first one here you see is a DISM. This is what we call head-up display, HUD. head-up display. This kind of display you also see in the aircrafts, helicopters, real pilots, helmets. I mean, in the helmets you will see that reflection of this window. That is what we call head-up display. And bottom of that one we have something which is like quick tab, actions tab, pre-flight checklist, all these kind of extra settings, servo relay, telemetry data, data flash log, messages, any payload control, all these things we will be seeing in the bottom of the HUD, head-up display. And also we will be seeing altitude data, flight speed data, how much distance the aircraft is from the ground control station, all these things can be used. So guys, this mission planner is a small mini ground control station where you have head-up display, all the flight data, and even map also inside the main screen, where you can see and track your drone or aerial vehicle or any kind of rover which is outside for the operation. And yeah, in the center you will see a map. This map is exactly a Google map, and I'll tell you how to convert this map into hybrid map and different maps in later videos. So this is a main Google map, and it's like 30 days old data what your mobile phones Google maps are there. And this is the main window screen. On the top right corner you will see autopilot. So this was developed and designed and developed by again autopilot community people. This mission planner was also part of it. And you will be also seeing comport. There is a setting which is called as comport, and also baud rate settings. So let's understand what are all these things here. In the top left corner you will see data window, which is nothing but the main window of the mission planner. Plan window, it's nothing but the planning. You want to plan automated mission to your rover or drone, you can go to this window. Next is the setup window. If you want to set up any of your vehicle, it might be a fixed wing, it might be a quadcopter, in your hardware, you need to go to this setup window. And there are many configurations, and I always talk about parameters, right? So parameters, where to write and read parameters, where to check what parameters this particular device and particular flight controller has, you need to go to configurations tab. And there is also a simulation. I will be doing a separate video for a proper simulation using mission planner for different vehicles such as multi-rotors, fixed wings, even quad planes, VTOL systems and tail-sitter systems. That's it. So this is about the basic mission planner, and let's understand all the settings deeper and deeper in future videos. So guys, I hope you like my video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. Please share and subscribe, and thanks for supporting me. I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Take care.